Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Zen Den. Today, I want to talk about the long-term goals for my YouTube channel and things that we should be thinking about if we have a long-term goal for our channel. So when I first started my channel, and when many people start their channels, they think, oh, I got to get subscribers. The subscribers is not the hard part. It's actually fairly easy, and your people will find you in due time. It's the watch time hours. Now, when I started my channel, a lot of my stuff was long form videos because I'm explaining something, and you have to put all the information in it or no one's going to benefit from it, or they're going to be left with questions. So I really try to make sure that I'm putting all the information about whatever topic I'm speaking about in there, so it has like a complete end result. You're benefiting from it. So when it comes to building your watch time hours, recently, probably a couple months ago, I guess December, it was really snowing. I figured out how to add music to my shorts. So yeah, yay me. And I did that, which was great. I got out some shorts, I got some good views, and it was excellent. However, I started looking at my analytics in YouTube, and I was getting kind of confused as to what was happening. Now, I'm going to go into that a little bit. So, when you have short form content, it's on a short feed, and a lot of people love short form content. However, if your content doesn't match your short and you're just doing a short to get people to come over, it can kind of nip you in the butt, because they're going to get to your channel and go, oh, that's what this channel is about. It's totally irrelevant to the short. And they even though they might subscribe to you, they're not going to come back and watch your content. So you have to be very, very mindful of that. And again, with the watch time hours, your shorts don't affect that at all. It's a totally different number. You do get the views, I believe, from it on your regular YouTube, but you don't get any watch time hours for short form videos. So it can be a hindrance, again, to your channel. Now, when it comes to the length of your video, this is something that I've just learned. Now, I don't do these videos about how tips and tricks on YouTube or whatever very often, but when I see things that really stand out to me and that can really impact my channel for a benefit, I want to share it with you guys. So that's kind of what this video is about. So when you're making your videos, I've just recently learned, if your video's under 8 minutes long, even when you get monetized, it doesn't give YouTube enough time to run ads on your videos, and the AdSense is really how you make your revenue on your YouTube channel. So you want to be mindful of that. I think the best way to do it is having your video length from 8 minutes to whatever it may be. I think like 8 to 20 minutes is reasonable. People don't really like to sit for a whole half hour. I do have long form videos, but people that are interested in those topics, they're going to stay to listen to the entire thing. So that's fine. Don't worry about your long form videos. What it is your short form videos that can really hinder your watch time. So I'm going into my second year now. I have to be really mindful of that. Yeah, it's great how my subscribers are growing, but if you look at the balance of subscribers to watch time hours, it's going to take me way too long, because in all these YouTube communities and whatnot, which I absolutely love, they're all supporting one another and they're subscribing to your channel, which is terrific. So that number goes up. But if they're not interested in your content, your watch time hours are just going to sit there. So again, it makes your subscriber count irrelevant to the needs of monetizing a channel. So what I've done is I've gone into my YouTube Studio app and I've taken all my short videos, so anything under, I don't know, 2-3 minutes, any of those, I've put them to unlisted. Now, do not delete any of your content, because if you delete your content, you lose the watch time hours and the views on that. So just unlist it. That's what I've done with a lot of my stuff. And as I was doing it, I was thinking, now, at any time I want, I can reintroduce those videos back to public. So as my subscribers grow, hypothetically, I want to take a trip or I get sick or whatever, I have some stuff on the back burner that I can just switch back to public. They're already done videos. So it's kind of like a little cushion, I think, at this time. So I've removed a lot of my shorter videos, and I've removed a lot of my shorts. And not removed as in deleted, but I've just put them to unlisted. Um, because that way, when people say, you know, you have all these people out there in these communities, they're saying, I'm supporting your channel. Well, now when they come by, they can actually support your channel by watching a video that's actually going to help you with your watch time hours, instead of just watching a 1-minute video or a 3-minute video. You know, you give them the option to see something more and hopefully to learn something more. And when it comes to the communities, you know, you want to be very mindful on who you subscribe to. Now, traditionally, I subscribe to people that are like-minded. So about gardening, about homesteading, about preserving food, about being prepared, about spirituality, all that stuff. That's what my channel is about. So I watch what I'm interested in, right? That's how we all learn. The more we know, the more we grow, right? So when you're out supporting in the community, or you're on a live stream and you want to support someone, click on them, go to their channel and watch some of their content. Make sure it's going to be something you're interested in. Make sure it's something that you're going to come back and you're going to benefit from. Because if you're not, it doesn't do anybody any good. You can still support these other channels, but you don't necessarily have to subscribe to them, because if it's not a long-term thing where you're going to be engaging in that community, those numbers aren't really going to benefit you. So the other thing that I've changed to unlisted is all my shout out videos. They were really causing a ruckus on my channel. So I think when YouTube looks at our channels, they look for consistency, right? They want to make sure that the people coming to your channel are engaging. They want to make sure they're watching some of it. And when I was putting out these shout out videos, I think what was happening was people would see that thumbnail, that it's a shout out. They would hop onto your channel. They would hit that more and go down, look for links, and then bounce off. So they weren't watching the video at all, right? And it was confusing the algorithm or whatever, because YouTube's going, well, nobody likes this content. We shouldn't push this content, right? It only makes sense. So I put those to all unlisted. Now I do have a playlist, and for some reason the playlist itself, I think, is still public. So I don't know whether I'm going to go in and try to figure out how to unlist that or not. I don't know. Again, I'm just learning, and these things really stood out to me. Now, when it goes to your people, your subscribers, you're going to find them. Don't be in a hurry. Enjoy every minute. Like, I am so grateful my channel's growing slowly. I'm really having time to get to know my subscribers, to engage with them, and to show gratitude for them being here. You know, it's a really interesting journey, YouTube. When I started, I think my first few videos, I wasn't even in them. It was just me talking because I was a chicken. And, you know, now I've realized that I have nothing to fear. The people that are going to like my personality or like the conversations that I'm having, they're going to subscribe to my channel in due time. And I'm willing to wait. So on that note, that is my little talk about YouTube, my long-term goals. The basics is that I have unlisted anything that's too short or irrelevant to my channel, because I don't want to pull in the wrong people. And then being mindful of where I put my energy back into the community, making sure that those people I'm supporting are part of my my channel community as well. I do still belong to a couple of Pokemon channels, a couple of gaming channels, and you know, I've gotten to know them. I like hanging out on their live streams and stuff and hearing what they have to say. I'm actually digging through my kids' old Pokemon cards now, which is just silly, but it's fun. So again, be mindful on who you're subscribing to. Make sure you know where your energy, you want to make sure the energy you're putting out is going to come back to you. And you want to be surrounded by like-minded people so that your channel grows. So I thank you so much for coming by my channel. If you're subscribed, hit that little notification bell so you get all the updates on my channel. And be sure to smash that thumbs up. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.